Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Now we are here in Bogo City, Cebu, or somewhere in Bogo, but we are at the San Remigio, Cebu, adjacent to Bogo City, Cebu. So it's a northern part of Cebu province, and we have a property for sale, 3,420 square meters. It's a clean title, located here in Barangay Manyo, San Remigio, Cebu. So this is the property, guys, no? It has a 15.20 meters wide frontage from here. So going here, guys. So there's some home. So these are not included. All here are included now. Pinataas ang yuta, guys, hindi straight lang yun. Naani sa sketch plan. There are coconut trees. So there are coconut trees. That house is a house of the foreigners, no? There are neighborhoods. So very nice property, guys. The price is 1,500 pesos per square meter. I cannot say negotiable because that is their kuan mo ni gibilin nga presyo. Yun ang sinabi nila na presyo. Siguro maybe later, no? Depende na lang. Basta there are mango trees and several coconut trees. Yung mga ano, guys, puno ng niyog na pa at this side here are included. Ano lang siya, guys, rectangular lang talaga siya. So ito po yun. These are not included, guys. Ito lang, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 4 mango trees. This is good for residential and farming. Today is Sunday. So back to back ang kalsada nito, guys. Kalsada sa doon at kalsada din dito. So no problem, no? So malapit lang sa concrete road, I think 50 meters from concrete road guys. Super lapit lang. So mga more or less from 50 meters from the corner, no? And this is the main road. It's really a concrete road, and from here just few minutes drive from White Sand Beaches and San Remigio. Magagandang beach sa San Remigio. Then to Bugo City or proper, just only more or less nasa mga 15 minutes yata yan. Basta kasi adjacent lang si Bugo City at si San Remigio, at itong barangay Manyo is the last barangay of Bugo. It's boundary. So malapit lang talaga sila, magkatabi lang. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So kung sino man yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe para makita nyo talaga yung mga properties for sale natin, Cebu and Bohol areas. So maganda yan para for investment, at saka hindi natin basta-basta for sale yung kapag hindi klaro talaga ang mga lote natin binibenta. Okay, again, thank you very much. So malapit na tayo sa highway guys, no? Ano lang natin, doon na lang, no? Kada na lang siguro. So sobrang lapit na, at malaki ang kalsada guys. The road is wide. Yan na po. So pag doon sa po, malapit talaga sa beach. So maganda for investment or gusto kang tumira, no? May convenience store dito sa corner. School na yan. Okay, school ng saan eskwelahan na?
Manyo.
Barangay Manyo School. Okay, again, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye. May nalimutan ako guys, no? Itong San Remigio is the kuan guys, kanang kung magpunta ka sa Masbate. Oh, may Masbate, unsa to nga isla, madam? Ano to yung isla? Bantayan Island, Santa Fe. Sa pa yung Masbate, Santa Fe. Napay usa katong kuan? Katong White Sand pod, katong isla. Unsa tingan ato nakalimot ko. Oh, maraming isla diyan, oh, mga white sand beaches. Maganda dito sa San Remigio, malapit lang sa mga port. So dito na tayo sa San Remigio, Cebu, the northern part of Cebu province. More or less 2 to 3 hours drive from Cebu City. Thank you.